understanding how lungs function and why we need to protect them, exploring foods rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that support lung function, learning techniques to improve lung capacity and oxygen intake, discussing the benefits of physical activity for respiratory health, quitting smoking, a breath of fresh air, highlighting the dangers of smoking and the positive impact of quitting on lung recovery. Smoking is a habit that many people struggle with, but the benefits of quitting are immense and life-changing. When you decide to quit smoking, you are not just making a decision for yourself, but also for the people around you. The air becomes cleaner, your health improves, and you set a positive example for others. The dangers of smoking are well documented. Cigarettes contain over 7,000 chemicals, many of which are toxic and can cause serious health issues. Smoking is the leading cause of preventable diseases and deaths worldwide. It is linked to various cancers, heart disease, stroke, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. The damage caused by smoking is not limited to the smoker alone. Secondhand smoke also poses significant health risks to non-smokers, including children and pets. When you quit smoking, your body begins to heal almost immediately. Within just 20 minutes of your last cigarette, your heart rate and blood pressure drop to normal levels. After 12 hours, the carbon monoxide level in your blood drops to normal, allowing more oxygen to reach your organs and tissues. Within a few weeks, your lung function begins to improve, and you may notice that you can breathe more easily and have more energy. The long-term benefits of quitting smoking are even more remarkable. After 1 year, your risk of coronary heart disease is cut in half. After 5 years, your risk of stroke is reduced to that of a non-smoker. After 10 years, your risk of lung cancer drops to about half that of a current smoker, and your risk of other cancers decreases as well. After 15 years, your risk of coronary heart disease is similar to that of someone who has never smoked. Quitting smoking is not easy, but it is possible. There are many resources available to help you on your journey, including nicotine replacement therapies, prescription medications, counseling, and support groups. It is important to find a method that works for you and to seek support from friends, family, and healthcare professionals. Remember, every cigarette you don't smoke is a step towards a healthier, longer life. Embrace the challenge and take a deep breath of fresh air. Your body and those who care about you will thank you. Minimizing environmental pollutants is crucial for the health of our planet and its inhabitants. Air pollution in particular poses a significant threat to human health, contributing to respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, and even premature death. In urban areas, the primary sources of air pollution include vehicle emissions, industrial discharges, and construction activities. To effectively minimize these pollutants, it is essential to identify the most common sources and implement strategies to reduce exposure. For instance, promoting the use of public transportation, cycling, and walking can significantly decrease the number of vehicles on the road, thereby reducing traffic congestion and the associated smog. Additionally, encouraging the adoption of electric and hybrid vehicles can further cut down on harmful emissions. Industries can also play a pivotal role in minimizing environmental pollutants by adopting cleaner production techniques and utilizing advanced filtration systems to capture harmful particles before they are released into the atmosphere. Governments and regulatory bodies must enforce stringent emission standards and provide incentives for businesses to invest in green technologies. On an individual level, people can contribute to reducing air pollution by making conscious choices such as using energy-efficient appliances, reducing energy consumption, and supporting policies aimed at environmental protection. Planting trees and maintaining green spaces in urban areas can also help absorb pollutants and improve air quality. Moreover, raising awareness about the health impacts of air pollution and educating the public on ways to minimize their exposure is vital. Simple actions like wearing masks during high pollution days, using air purifiers indoors, and avoiding outdoor activities when air quality is poor can protect lung health. In conclusion, minimizing environmental pollutants requires a collective effort from governments, industries, and individuals. By working together and adopting sustainable practices, we can create a healthier environment for current and future generations. Managing lung conditions. Understanding common lung conditions and the importance of medical management. The power of prevention. Emphasizing proactive steps for maintaining healthy lungs throughout life. Listening to your lungs is an essential part of maintaining your overall health. Your lungs play a crucial role in your respiratory system, allowing you to breathe in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. When something goes wrong with your lungs, it can affect your entire body. Recognizing warning signs early and seeking timely medical attention can make a significant difference in your health outcomes. Some common symptoms that may indicate lung problems include persistent coughing, shortness of breath, wheezing, and chest pain. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to pay attention and not ignore them. Persistent coughing, for example, could be a sign of chronic bronchitis or even lung cancer. Shortness of breath might indicate conditions such as asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or heart problems. There are several ways to keep your lungs healthy. Avoiding smoking and exposure to secondhand smoke is one of the most important steps you can take. Regular exercise can also help improve your lung capacity and overall respiratory health. Breathing exercises such as deep breathing and diaphragmatic breathing can strengthen your lungs and improve their function. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider are essential for monitoring your lung health. During these visits, your doctor may perform tests such as spirometry to measure your lung function or imaging tests like X-rays to look for any abnormalities. Early detection of lung issues can lead to more effective treatment and better outcomes. In addition to medical care, lifestyle choices play a significant role in lung health. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, staying hydrated, and managing stress through activities like meditation and yoga can all contribute to healthier lungs. By taking proactive steps and listening to your lungs, you can ensure they remain strong and healthy for years to come. We will introduce the role of antioxidants in lung health. Antioxidants help to protect lung tissue from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to inflammation and damage to lung cells. Over time, this damage can contribute to chronic lung conditions and even increase the risk of lung cancer. To combat this, incorporating antioxidant-rich foods into your diet is essential. Foods high in antioxidants include berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. These fruits are not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and phytonutrients that support respiratory health. Nuts, such as almonds and walnuts, are another excellent source of antioxidants. They provide essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which play a crucial role in protecting lung tissue from damage. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are also powerhouses of antioxidants. These vegetables contain vitamins A, C, and E, as well as other beneficial compounds that help to neutralize free radicals and support overall lung health. By incorporating these antioxidant-rich foods into your daily diet, you can support lung health and potentially aid in the reversal of lung damage. It's a simple yet powerful step you can take to ensure your lungs remain strong and resilient. Remember, your lungs work tirelessly to keep you breathing and healthy. Providing them with the right nutrients can make all the difference in maintaining their function and protecting them from harm. So, next time you plan your meals, think about adding a handful of berries to your breakfast, a serving of nuts as a snack, or a generous helping of green leafy vegetables to your dinner. Your lungs will thank you for it. We will explore the role of herbal remedies in supporting lung health. Various herbs have been known to have beneficial effects on respiratory function. Let's dive into some of the most effective ones. Firstly, we have eucalyptus. Eucalyptus oil, derived from the leaves of the eucalyptus tree, has been used for centuries to alleviate respiratory issues. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to open up the airways and reduce mucus, making it easier to breathe. Next, consider peppermint. Peppermint leaves contain menthol, which acts as a natural decongestant. It helps to soothe the respiratory tract and improve airflow, making it especially useful during times of congestion or colds. Another powerful herb is mullein. Mullein leaves and flowers have been traditionally used to treat respiratory conditions like bronchitis and asthma. It works by reducing inflammation and soothing irritated lung tissues. Licorice root is also noteworthy. This herb not only reduces inflammation but also acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen and expel mucus from the lungs. It's often used in herbal teas to support lung health. Lastly, let's talk about thyme. Thyme is rich in thymol, a compound known for its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to combat respiratory infections and improve overall lung function. Incorporating these herbs into your daily routine can provide a natural boost to your lung health. Whether through teas, essential oils, or supplements, these herbal remedies offer a holistic approach to maintaining healthy lungs. Remember, while herbal remedies can be beneficial, they should complement, not replace, conventional medical treatments. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen. By embracing the power of nature, you can support your lung health and breathe easier every day.